In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay TradingView charts. If you've ever found yourself wanting to compare two different stocks or financial instruments on the same chart to gain more insights into their performance, you're in the right place. Overlaying charts in TradingView is a powerful way to analyze multiple symbols simultaneously, and fortunately, it's a straightforward process. Let's walk through these steps together and get you up to speed with this essential feature. The first thing you'll need to do is open your TradingView platform and locate the chart you wish to work with. Once you have your main chart in view, look at the top toolbar and find the button labeled Compare or Add Symbol. Clicking this button is your gateway to overlaying another symbol onto your current chart. This feature is incredibly versatile, allowing you to seamlessly integrate additional data without messing with your original chart setup. Now, after clicking the Compare or Add Symbol button, a search bar will appear. This is where you'll type in the symbol of the stock or index you want to compare with your existing chart. For instance, say you have Apple or AAPL as your main chart, and you want to overlay it with the SPY, which tracks the S&P 500. By entering SPY in the search bar and selecting it, you're able to add it to your chart. Once you've selected the additional symbol, TradingView will by default use a same percent scale, which shows both symbols in a normalized percentage. This means that instead of simply overlaying the prices one on top of another, which can be misleading due to different price scales and volatilities, TradingView converts them into percentage changes. This comparison presents the data relative to each symbol's value, offering a clear picture of their performance over time. Whenever you're dealing with multiple symbols, this normalized percentage scale is crucial for making meaningful comparisons. Remember, using the comparison tool effectively can greatly simplify your analysis process, providing a comprehensive view of how different assets move in relation to each other. It can be especially useful in identifying correlations or divergences between stocks, indices, or even different asset classes. By leveraging this tool, you're well equipped to make more informed trading or investment decisions. As you become more familiar with this feature, you might want to explore additional options under the Compare tool, like changing the scale or adjusting chart settings to tailor your analysis even further. However, the key takeaway here is mastering the basic overlay technique, which serves as a solid foundation for more advanced charting strategies. So, now you know how to overlay charts in TradingView. It's a simple yet powerful tool to enhance your trading insights. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, mastering this technique can greatly assist you in identifying trends and making well-informed decisions.